How to fix iPhone storage issues fast. Hey everyone, if your iPhone keeps showing that annoying storage almost full message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone storage issues fast without needing to delete everything you love. Let's get started. First, head into Settings and tap on General. Then tap iPhone Storage. This is where you'll get a full breakdown of what's eating up your space: apps, photos, system data, and more. Now look for the Recommendations section. You might see options like Offload Unused Apps or Review Large Attachments. Go through them. Offloading an app means it's removed, but your data stays safe. You can always re-download the app later without losing anything. Next, scroll through your app list and check which apps are taking the most space. Tap on them, and if you don't need the app anymore, go ahead and delete it. If you still need it but don't use it often, offload it instead. Photos and videos are usually the biggest storage hogs. So open your Photos app, go to Albums, and scroll down to Recently Deleted. Empty that folder to permanently delete files you already trashed, because yes, they still take up space. And that's it. Just a few smart tweaks and your iPhone will feel a lot lighter and faster. No need to stress about running out of space again. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.